Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling the classic, perfect for every big family dinner or holiday Thanksgiving meal. Yeah, we're cooking a turkey. So, what are the things we need to do to get that turkey ready for Thanksgiving Day? Whether it's your first time or you're a seasoned pro, this guide is going to make you a juicy turkey, flavorful and absolutely delicious. First thing is, let's talk about the turkey preparation. Take out your bird from the fridge and let it sit at room temperature for about an hour. This ensures even cooking. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 163 degrees Celsius. Now, pat your turkey dry with paper towels. Moisture is an enemy of crispy skin. Next, it's time to season. Generously salt and pepper the inside of the cavity. Stuff it with quartered onions, lemons, and a bunch of fresh herbs like rosemary and thyme. On the outside, rub it softly with butter all over the turkey. Don't be shy, get that butter everywhere. Sprinkle with salt, pepper, and more herbs if you like. Now place your turkey breast side up on the rack in the roasting pan. Pour a cup or two of chicken broth or water into the bottom of the pan to keep things nice and moist, and throw it into the oven to slowly roast. Here's the key. Baste every 30 minutes with the pan juice. This keeps the meat tender and adds flavor. And then plan on 15-minute per rounds checks. Around 2-hour mark, you're going to see your turkey hits around 165 degrees in the thickest part of the thigh. You're golden. Let it rest for 20 minutes before carving. This locks in the juices. There you have it, a slow and perfectly cooked turkey. Happy cooking and enjoy every bite. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.